Will investing in the Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Supreme Plan help you create wealth in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life insurance savings plan. So some of the key features of the policy are there are two plan options. Option 1, immediate income, and option 2, my income. So to meet your financial needs, there is flexibility in choosing the guaranteed benefit in the form of either a lump sum or in the form of regular income. And income benefits can be accumulated through the sub-wallet feature and withdraw as and when required. Survival benefits can be utilized to offset your premium. For women customers, there is a 2% special discount available on their first year's premium. There are tax benefits available as per Section 80C and Section 1010D of the Income Tax Act. And there are benefits like maturity benefit, survival benefit, and also death benefits, which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. There are some advantages as well, which we will see now. So some of the advantages are you have the option to pay your premiums either annually, half yearly, quarterly, and monthly mode, and you have the flexibility to enhance your coverage by adding optional riders by paying additional rider premium over and above your base policy premium. And income or survival benefits will be payable annually by default. However, the policyholder will have the option to receive half yearly, quarterly, or monthly installments, and policy loan is available subjected to a maximum of 80% of the surrender value. So these are some of the advantages. Now let us take a look at the disadvantages as well. The survival benefit couldn't be utilized for any big ticket expense if you have opted for an immediate income benefit plan option. The sum assured is also not adequate. There is no maturity benefit under the immediate benefit option. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where to help us make a more informed decision, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis by calculating the internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 25-year-old male opts to purchase the Tata policy. So he wishes for one payout. Let us assume that a 25-year-old male opts to purchase this plan. So he wishes for one payout when he's 50 years of age. So he opted for option 2, my income. The policy term is for 25 years and the premium paying term is for 12 years. If he pays a premium for 12 years, at the end of the policy term, 25 years, he receives the maturity benefit along with the accumulated income benefit. So from the tabular column presented on the screen, you can see that the IRR, which is the internal rate of return for the cash flow, is calculated at 6.16%. So it may seem a better return because here the policyholder has accumulated the survival benefit. So this compounding effect has given a better IRR. So if he chooses the immediate income option, the IRR might actually be lesser. So even though the IRR is similar to a fixed income instrument, this IRR is not beneficial to the investor because here the policy term is for 25 years. For a long-term investment, this return is not efficient. So as with this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, which is a inflation beating return, let us now do a comparative analysis where we are going to explore an alternative strategy using the same premium but not by combining it in insurance and investment, instead splitting it and investing in investment and insurance separately. So here we are going to assume the metric similar to the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure of Tata policy for a much more fair comparison. So for life cover purpose, we opted for a pure term policy. The balance premium could be utilized for investment for PPF or equity mutual fund. The premium payment term is 12 years, but here in the term insurance plan, the premium payment term is 10 years. So in the illustration, that means the benefit illustration, it was 12 years. Here it is 10 years. So in the next 2 years, what we are going to do is the entire amount which we have for the premium is utilized for investment. So under PPF, the lock-in period is for 15 years and it can be extended in a block of 5 years. So here in the benefit illustration, the premium term is for 12 years, right? So to complete the lock-in period, which was 15 years, in the last 3 years, we are going to do a minimum contribution of 500 rupees, which is to be made to the PPF account. After the lock-in period, it is assumed to extend for 10 more years without annual contribution. Under equity mutual fund scenario, the maturity benefit is taxable. So the tax calculation of equity mutual fund is considered to find the IRR, where in the screen we have also presented a small tabular column where you can see how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, which you can pause and see. So this is for your easy reference. So the IRR for term insurance plus PPF combination is calculated at 6.9%, and the IRR for term insurance plus equity mutual fund is calculated at 11.16%. So the IRR under both investment options is better than the Tata policy. An equity mutual fund, which is the post-tax, is giving you a return of 11.16%. So this rate is beneficial as it is higher than the inflation in the long run period. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Supreme Plan worth it or not? So this policy offers life protection for the policy term. There is more flexibility in receiving the survival benefit. You can line up the survival benefits based on your financial need. You can even offset the premium against the survival benefit. These are the special features of the policy. But from an investment perspective, like many policies in the bazaar, the returns do not beat inflation in the long run. So this may result in a deficit in the required corpus to meet your life's financial goals. Beware of insurance agents who force you into buying this plan for their own high agent commission, and do not mix your life insurance with your investment. Pure term policy, which offers higher life cover at an affordable premium, will be a better option. So make sure to pick your investments based on your time horizon of your financial goals and also according to your risk appetite, and you can invest in a diversified investment portfolio based on these factors, which can give you better outcome in a long term period.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.